Covalent radius, it is half the length of a covalent bond between two atoms. Critical temperature, that temperature of a gaseous substance above which it cannot be converted into the liquid state no matter how much the pressure is applied on it. Crystal lattice, a space lattice, a particular three-dimensional arrangement of particles, i.e. atoms, ions or molecules in a crystal is called a crystal lattice, a space lattice. Crystal, a three-dimensional shape bounded by plane surfaces which intersect at definite angles with each other. Crystallization, a process in which a crude product is purified and obtained in the form of crystals. Catalyst, the substance which alters the rate of a chemical reaction but remains unchanged at the end of reaction. Cathode rays, negatively charged rays which originate from the cathode when electricity is passed through a gas at very low pressure. Charles's law, 1787, the volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to absolute temperature when the pressure is kept constant. Chromatography, it is a method used for the separation of components of a mixture. Colligative properties, these are the properties of solutions that depend only on the number of solute and solvent molecules or ions. Common ion effect, the decrease in the solubility of an electrolyte in a solution in the presence of a common ion is called common ion effect. Conjugate acid of a base, the positively charged ion produced by the acceptance of a proton by a base is the conjugate acid of the base. Conjugate base of the acid, the negatively charged ions or a neutral species produced by the release of proton is the conjugate base of the compound releasing the proton. Covalent crystals, those crystals in which the nonmetallic atoms are held together in a network of single covalent bonds.